Let the day begin. It's here. I got them. And here they are. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning, but I just can't sleep anymore. I'm expecting the Game of Thrones package today and I'm just too excited to sleep. Fine, I'm gonna get up. Ready for Game of Thrones. Right. Let the day begin and let that package come as soon as possible. When are my books coming? When are my books coming? I don't know. We gotta wait. Game of Thrones, the series by George R.R. Martin. I read the first 2 books, then I stopped reading the series. I don't know, I felt that, it was a bit too slow. The second book was a bit too slow. You could basically summarize it in a sentence. They had a fight and one side lost, basically. Obviously, it's more complicated than that, but you know. So I stopped reading the books. We were in Thailand, then we moved to China. I had to get rid of all my books. But now with all this madness and the last season in the Game of Thrones on HBO, man, I just got the bug once again. And I really, really need to finish the series before the next book comes out. So I ordered the books on Taobao a few days ago. It came from Shanghai. The whole series, boxed, set, beautiful. It should arrive today. I just can't wait for them to get here.
What are you doing, Mihnia?
I'm checking to see if the books are here.
Just relax.
I can't. I feel like I need to start reading the books right now. When are they gonna be here? Pretty boring, Clifford, right? I guess I can wait. There's nothing else I can do. You want some? I guess you don't want any.
Hey, Mihnia, I think you got a message.
It's here. Oh no, I forgot the keys. Books are here. The books are here. Here they are. I I got them. G-O-T. Got it? This is so exciting. I've been waiting all day long for the package to arrive. Like, I just couldn't do anything. I can't wait to start reading the books. But first, unboxing!
Hey, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it! Hey guys, the books are here. You can always trust Taobao to wrap it nicely. Actually, it did not come from Shanghai, it came from Shenzhen. Alright. I'm so excited. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, look at this. Beautiful wrapping, bubble wraps and stuff so that the books don't get damaged. And la 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 la. Wow, the books are here. Let's make sure I'm not cutting the books. So excited for this. A bit of patience so that I don't ruin the books. And wow, look at this, the 5 books in the series. Wow, look at it, beautiful. All right, 5 books. Look at this beautiful box. George R.R. Martin, A Song of Ice and Fire. Wonderful, wonderful. There we go, Jon Snow and Tyrion Lannister. Wow, now let's remove the cellophane. Slowly. Okay, we don't want to damage the books. We haven't even opened them yet. Oh, the packaging is so good. Look at this. Manufactured in the United States of America. Or in China. We'll pass on that. And ta-da! Here are the books. The wait is over. Look at these 5 beauties. A boxed set of the 5 books in the series A Song of Ice and Fire by George R.R. Martin, with all the madness happening on HBO with the final season of Game of Thrones. I just had to go back to reading these books. Now, let's take them out of the box one by one and check them out. So, here they are. Beautiful. The box is very nice. Book number 1. Here we go. A Game of Thrones. Beautiful blue cover with a sword. Now it's just 1 volume. Looks pretty small. The paper is super thin. Maybe that's why the whole set was so cheap. And we have on the front page, we have the Iron Throne. And look at these 2 beauties. The map of the North and the map of the South. I'm just obsessed with maps. I have my own mini collection of maps. I don't have one of the 7 kingdoms yet, but coming soon. This is it. Look at this beautiful beauty. Volume 1, I have already read it. It comes here in 834 pages, but we're gonna pass this on. Let's move on to the next book in the box, A Clash of Kings. A beautiful cover with the crown of the king. Obviously, there's a battle here between the House of Baratheons and the Lannisters right after the demise of, the previous Hand of the King. Same style of layout, same map. Let's see how many pages. 1003 pages. I have also read this one, so I'm passing this one too. And moving on to volume number 3. Now, this is where I'm going to start reading. A Storm of Swords. Sounds like there's going to be loads and loads of battles. We have a helmet on the front cover. Beautiful green cover. Again, very thin paper. This can rip easily, but it's such a compact book at 1177 pages. This is a very light book and very easy to carry around. This is going to take a few weeks, if not more than a month, to read. So it's nice to have it in a small compact format. That's why I really don't favor hardcovers. I travel a lot. I don't want my bag to be too heavy. Here we go. Volume 3. A Storm of Swords. Now, once I'm done with this, we will continue with volume number 4. Look at this. There's like a cup on the front cover. A feast for crows. I wonder if it refers to the crows, the Brotherhood of the Night Watch, or something else. Again, we have the cover here. We have a second map, the Iron Islands. I did not notice. Okay, so there's a third map. Let's see here, how many maps do we have in volume 3? We have a third map too, Beyond the Wall. Very interesting. And volume 2, is there a third map or not? No, there's no third map. All right. So as the action expands and moves on to other areas of the Seven Kingdom, we have the maps. It's going to be nice to, read about the adventures in that location and then go back to the front of the book and explore the map and find these places. I'm a very visual person, so I need to see things in order to understand them. That's why I like words on paper and maps and pictures. So here we go. A Feast for Crows. It's volume 4 of our wonderful series. Wow, I wonder when I'll get to it, but I can't get to this book before I read this one. And the last book in the series that has been written so far, there's another 2 coming in the pipeline, is A Dance with Dragons. The cover has like a shield or a seal with a dragon. Beautiful. A Dance with Dragons. You have this like gray kind of looking cover, probably to imitate, I don't know, the color of maybe the dragons. Who knows? It comes at 1120 pages. Look at this beautiful beauty. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be an exciting read. And once I'm done with this one, it'll be so difficult to wait for the next one in the series. But by this time, actually, by the time I'm done with this, the HBO series would have been, finished by then. So let's see, do we have any other maps here? So we have, we have the map Beyond the Wall. We have the North and the South. We have the Free Cities. And Valeria. Wow, so let's have a look here. Valeria. And the Free Cities. And Beyond the Wall. Look at all these beautiful maps to, consult while reading the book. And these are 5 books in A Song of Ice and Fire, the series by George R.R. Martin. Let's start reading. Where am I? Book 3. Let's sit down and read. All right, let's sit down here and enjoy the book. Here we go. Let me know in the comment section below how far are you with the series. Ciao, this is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Time to read.